The Argentinian football star Lionel Messi's tour of India kicked off to a difficult start after the forward's first brief visit to Kolkata Stadium angered fans who'd been queuing for ages to see him. Messi visited the stadium for just 20 minutes, surrounded by a large entourage, before making a swift exit. Disappointed fans, some who'd paid up to £100 for a ticket, threw chairs and objects on the pitch, some even pulling down tents after storming the match ground. Here's what one of those who attended had to say.
So many people had gathered around him, all the politicians. This is my ticket. What have we come here for? They think the people are stupid in Bengal. Take a look at my ticket that cost 12,000 rupees. We didn't even get to see Messi's face.
Well, Ilma Hassan from BBC Hindi was outside the stadium in Kolkata when the chaos broke out. A short time ago, I spoke to her to find out more about what happened.
So the frenzy for Lionel Messi coming started pretty early Saturday morning. There were thousands of people outside the airport. They were disappointed when they couldn't catch a glimpse of him because he had to leave through another exit. They all also went to the hotel he was staying at, trying to get a glimpse of him, but unfortunately they couldn't see him then as well. That is when they were hoping that if they buy the ticket to the stadium, that's when they'll get to see him. But what happened was that as soon as he entered, he was surrounded by dozens of people, mostly VIPs and politicians, everyone trying to take a picture with him. What the fans were hoping for was they'll get to see him dribble a little bit with the football, let him take a tour of the stadium so he can wave to everybody. But that's not what happened. It was just within 10 minutes that the fans started getting pretty upset and agitated, and it was a security lapse because a lot of the fans also then entered the field. What was a 2-hour event got cut short to just 20 minutes.
Well, given that we saw people throwing objects onto the pitch, what are authorities saying, Ilma?
So the Chief Minister of this state, West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, has now requested that an inquiry happen into the incident. She has also apologized to Lionel Messi and also all the football fans. It is very close to the people's hearts here in Calcutta. She's also said that she will make sure that nothing like this ever happens again, and she's going to launch an inquiry into the matter. So far, one of the organizers of the event has also been arrested, but the fans are disappointed, and they're asking for either a refund or they're asking that Messi come back to Calcutta so they can catch a glimpse of him.
Ilma Hassan there at that stadium in Calcutta.